Asana's premium plan costs $13.49 per user per month when billed monthly, or $10.99 per user per month when billed annually, and uses a psychological trick to boost your team's memory.
Bluma Zeigarnik, in 1927, observed that study participants recalled interrupted tasks significantly better, often cited as around 90% better, or twice as likely. This cognitive bias pushes your brain to seek closure. Understand this to manage your own focus. Asana displays My Tasks with sections like Upcoming and Later. This visual reminder of open loops, like a project due in 3 days, engages the Zeigarnik Effect. Create new tasks in the Upcoming section. Monday.com uses color-coded status columns like Working on It or Stuck to highlight incomplete work. This constant visual cue, visible to 5+ team members, triggers your brain's need for closure. Update your task status daily.
ClickUp offers customizable dashboards with widgets like Tasks to Do or Overdue. Seeing 10+ overdue items immediately activates the Zeigarnik Effect, prompting action. Configure your dashboard to show key unfinished tasks.
Beyond these tools, apply the Zeigarnik Effect by breaking large projects into smaller, incomplete steps. Display these steps prominently, perhaps on a physical whiteboard, for your team of 2 to 5 people. Review progress daily for 5 minutes. You now understand how the Zeigarnik Effect helps keep you productive. Watch our next video on using AI for project management.